right, so now I'm going to take this little truck that I got at the dollar store. I'm gonna make it, it's just a flat 2-dimensional truck, and I'm gonna make it into a 3-dimensional truck just by taking it apart. I'm gonna use one of these little dollar store boxes and some of these craft sticks from Walmart. And I've got, and then I'm not crazy about glitter, and I'm not crazy about the red. So I like the little like white distressed truck. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make it, I've seen people make this with 2 trucks where they put them side to side and then they glue them together in the middle. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use 1 truck, and I'm gonna break it all apart. As you can see, I tried breaking it apart and I tore a piece off, but that's okay because that's gonna be the back side anyway. I'm not crazy about glitter, so the glitter is gonna be on the inside, and we're gonna flip this whole thing inside out. So what I did was I broke apart all the pieces of the truck, which come off pretty easy. These took a little bit of effort. I actually took my little tool here and shoved up underneath and popped it off. As you can see, I tried to use my scissors and I just popped off pieces of it. But that's okay because that's the back side, and this is the new front. So I'll sand off the glue, and we'll use that side anyway, so it won't matter. So I popped off all the stuff. I'm going to flip it over and take my little thing here, and this makes it easy to pull the staples out. These staples come out pretty easy. You'll probably need something to get the other side out. So unless I can pull it out here, just like bend them over and you can pull them out. So I'll get a pair of pliers and I'll pull those out. I'll be able to do it with my old scissors. Yeah, they just pop right out. So these pop out real easy because they're not in there very deep. And we'll use this side as the actual truck side. We'll flip all this stuff over like this, and we'll have a whole new truck, and we'll paint it to be that beige white color truck as opposed to being and then I'm not going to use this Christmas tree, but it's fun to have those little Christmas trees because you can still use them, so don't throw those away. But we'll put all these parts together, and we're going to use this. This will be the bed of the truck. So you can see it'll have a bed in it, and all that glitter will be on the inside, so you won't see it. And then we will use to go around and create a 3-dimensional all the way around. And then you'll be able to put your flowers and greenery and all of that right down in the bed of this truck. So let's get started with this.
You told me to take things slow, but now I don't know which way to go. You tear me up, up, then you fix me up, all for fun. You tear me up, up, then you fix me up, all for fun. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. The things that you say, it's making me gray. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. Don't think I can do this too long. And now I want you out of my head to be gone. You tear me up, is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. We're pumping up the volume to 90 degrees. Dancing to the song till I drop to my knees. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. Just to get what I need. Coming at your heart, you will see what I mean. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. It's been in my head, you got me all dizzy. Wouldn't it be better if I just let it be? Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on that you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are. He said he only wanna see his friends. Another week went by and we barely even spoke. Think I'm beginning to read a sequence. Why did you turn your back on me? Maybe there's something I don't see. Could you just shed a little light, shed a